Isa pong networking event ang isinagawa kamakailan sa Art Gallery of Ontario na layong ipakilala at iangat ang mga Filipino-Canadian business at community leaders. Ang Merienda Mixer event sa report ni Paula Saraza.
Our mission really is simple. It's to elevate Filipino excellence.
Pinangunahan ng grupong Power Forward, nagtipon-tipon ang mga Filipino-Canadian business and community leaders para sa isang Merienda Mixer event nitong Biyernes.
We're really in a moment of time where the Filipino community is presenting and representing all the excellent work that we are doing across different spaces.
Inspirasyon daw sa mga talakayan sa salo-salo ang yumaong Pinay artist at activist na si Pasita Abad, nakilala sa mga obrang sumasalamin sa Filipino resilience, creativity at global leadership. Kaya bukod sa mga talumpati ng mga inimbitahang speakers, nagkaroon din ng tour sa Art Gallery of Ontario kung saan itinatampok ngayon ang Pasita Abad exhibit.
Pasita Abad being the first Filipino artist headlining as an exhibit here at the AGO is such an important moment that we also want to celebrate and highlight other folks who are excelling in their own respective spaces. And so we wanted to bring everybody together to celebrate in conjunction with Pasita Abad and also celebrate the accomplishments of so many in our community.
I want to show that, Filipinos in general or Filipinas can enter this type of industry. It doesn't have to be necessarily the creative arts.
Naging pagkakataon ng event para mapalawak ng mga kababayan ang kani-kanilang network at maipakilala ang kanilang mga negosyo at karerang hindi lahat karaniwan sa Filipino community.
The business I'm in is we grow plants and trees. Our nursery is located about 2.5 hours southwest here of Toronto. We're located near Port Dover, so near Lake Erie, on about 400 acres of land. And we grow native trees, plants, native wildflowers. When I say native, it means native to Ontario. We do wholesale, and we grow on a very large scale to service municipalities such as the City of Toronto, City of Hamilton, as well as many different municipalities and conservation authorities throughout Ontario.
Gayon din ang bukas na mapag-usapan ng mga hinaharap na pagsubok at balakid bilang isang Filipino-Canadian sa business industry.
There's not many of us in that specific industry, right? Not many of us in a management position as well.
Bibihira lang anila magkaroon ng pagkakataong makapagsama-sama sa isang espasyo ang mga business leaders sa komunidad. Kaya umaasa silang sa pamamagitan ng Merienda Mixer, maitampok ang husay ng mga kababayan at mabigyang pagkilala ang patuloy nilang paggawa ng pangalan sa iba't ibang industriya sa Canada.
There's a lot of opportunity for us to network. Not only with our own connections, but also network in the sense where we can eventually help each other and also talk and give us a forum so that we can establish groundwork for the upcoming generation that want to follow not only in my footsteps, but everybody here and showing that it is possible.
Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.